What's up, fam? My name is JT if you're new to the channel, and today we are building the ultimate gaming PC. So, for specs, I'm going to go through them really quickly. If you guys want to know more, there's a link down below in the description where all the parts are listed. So what we have here is a GTX 980 Ti Poseidon. It's kind of cool. It's got air and liquid cooling. So in case if you want to upgrade later on to liquid cooling, or if you want to feel a little adventurous in the liquid cooling scene, you can do it right here. If not, you can settle down for a fan cooler, which is already installed. The Maximus 8 Hero motherboard, also by Asus. And also, this rig is called Black Widow, because you probably guessed already, it's all black and red. The whole PC. We even have the NZXT Kraken. Now, to go along with Asus, I also like NZXT. If you guys been subscribed for a while, you know I'm a Corsair fanboy. But we gotta show NZXT some love for this case. It's a beautiful case, guys. It kind of reminds me of like a Batmobile type part. Like we just took off a piece of the Batmobile and made it into a computer. It looks really cool. I love it. And then we have, of course, the processor, the Core i7. The Skylake processor, it's a 6700K, or well, 6000. Well, how would you say that? It's a 1151 socket. Okay, that's all we need to know. That's the important part. It's a 1151 socket and it's Skylake processor. And then we have the Radeon series. Now, I'm a big fan of these guys because I've never seen them in person.
There's freaking little electricity through it.
It's red. It goes in with the system. They are overpriced. You can get better RAM for cheaper. But we are going for an overkill, and we are going for ultimate. We also got some cables right here. These red sleeve cables are from Amazon. You could go check those out. I like going through small time vendors and smaller people to get custom cables. But for this rig, I wanted something quick and something that looked good. I thought these looked good, and I was really surprised with the quality. They look great. A Samsung Evo SSD, a 1TB SSD, guys. If that isn't enough for main storage space, as for starting out, I don't know what it is. I thought it was a good choice for this system, and I think you guys will agree with me. And for LEDs, we got the Deep Cool RGB. Not the best I've seen through all the LEDs, but these look like they'll do the job for what we needed to do. And they're also made by Deepcool, and Deepcool's a great brand. If you haven't heard of them, go check them out. They make some cool stuff. And for the power supply, now I know this is overkill, guys. I know this power supply is overkill, 850 watts. But we want to make sure this is bulletproof for the future. You might want to put another card in there in the near future, or we might want to run some more stuff through it. So we got a bigger, badder power supply to meet all of his needs when he puts additions to this computer. And that's why we are going overkill with a 850 watt power supply. Okay guys, I think that's everything to show you. I'm going to hook up the GoPro and do the time lapse. I need to get this thing built ASAP. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll talk about more of the system at the end. So stick around for that. I will see you guys later after we're done. Hopefully it turns out great. I'm really excited, guys.
Ignition. Autopilot activated. 100 miles per hour.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy the build. A little bit of a warning. I'm filming this a few days after the build has been sent and I caught something. I am like dying right now. My voice sounds terrible and I keep coughing, and Halls are like my best friend right now. Like seriously, these guys are saving my life. So for those who are observant, you would notice that there's one RAM stick instead of two. One of them was actually faulty. It was just the lightning that was faulty. Once I turned on the BIOS and looked at the RAM, they were both registering. So that means the aesthetic for the electricity stuff and the RAM sticks just wasn't working. So my client, who is also my friend, is going to be sending that back. I was really frustrated that that wasn't working, but out of all things that could go wrong and all things that have happened to other people in the past, I am very happy that out of everything that could go wrong, that's what happened. This is obviously slightly an overkill build. This was just something black and red themed, something that my friend wanted to later on build on top of, and something that is just totally mind-blowingly sick. We talked about it a few years ago, we planned it all out, and we just had to save the money. So I'm glad that we were able to do it now with all the cool technology and shit that's been out. So I'm pretty happy. I hope you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments below by leaving a like button as well, and by subscribing for future videos. Oh, also, if you guys are wondering how I'm doing those like pan shots and why they're a little wobbly, I used for a camera slider, I used like metal pipes and like I think surge holes, like for power and stuff like that, for wires, as like my camera slider, and it's all held together by duct tape. There's a picture and stuff for you guys to look at. And so be patient with me. I'm working with what I have and what I could build. I can't really afford anything too crazy. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys that little bit of info. If you're wondering why it's a little wobbly, that's why. Also, if you guys didn't notice, I'm wearing my Star Wars t-shirt because today is May the 4th. So yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here. So May the 4th be with you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.